Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kati-Culture. Guys, today I want to take you in a drinking water, in a drinking spot. We call it the spring. I visited Kumba, a Diki village. So I want to show you where they fetch water to drink. And you know guys, this is dry season and water have dried up. So guys, follow me to the stream. Let's see where these people carry their drinkable water. You will not believe. But guys, before you continue, please like, subscribe and share. Click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out in any of my videos. Guys, can you believe upon all these trees like this? When I arrived where I needed to fetch water, I couldn't believe my eyes because everywhere is dried up. The water that was coming out with pressure during the rainy season now, guys, just follow me and see the unimaginable. A water have dried up, no matter the trees around the water, but everywhere is dry. Water is just coming out in drops now. So you can understand what the people are going through. You can understand what they are going through in order to get drinkable waters. So guys, this is very important for us to stop cutting down trees, because cutting down the trees will destroy the forest that protects our environment. We call it deforestation. Stop deforestation, guys. Stop deforestation, because I believe this water is dried up like this because maybe these places that have been passing before reaching the water, there were trees there, but due to a result of the cocoa farming, everywhere have been fell down. You cannot compare a tree with a cocoa tree, because the cocoa tree is just there to produce cocoa fruit, but the other tree, it is there to protect the environment. So guys, follow me and see what these people are actually going through. This place is what they call drinking. It is the most popular spot in that village to fetch drinkable water. So this place has been here for ages. So I don't understand why this time around the water has gone down to this level. So it is important that we know that cutting down trees will only harm us. It will harm us and not others. Because if you see what these people are going through to get drinkable water, it shows that in the nearest future, things will be worse. So it is better we get alert that felling down trees is disastrous. So we should stop deforestation and practice afforestation instead. You will ask me if cocoa trees are not trees. Cocoa trees don't have that power. They don't have that resistance like a normal tree will have to go through that ecosystem process. Those who did geography, I didn't do geography, to give us water during the dry season. So as you can see guys, everywhere is dry. Everywhere is dry, as in dry. So it is bad. It is really really bad. Look at, yeah, that one is dried up completely, like completely. Nothing is coming out. At least the other pump, a little drops of water, they are still coming out there, but the other one has been completely off. So you will understand what these people are going through to get drinking water. Before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out in any of my videos. Guys, If my video had an impact on you, please drop a comment in the comment section and appreciate it, or any comment of your choice. Guys, I will be bringing you more of such videos. I will not only bring you culture, I will also bring you things that you need to learn, understand about how life in rural areas is. Welcome back, guys. I have struggled to fetch my own small water in my tangy container. I am going back home. Maybe you see that road that I am walking, maybe you see train road there. That is a train road that was leading Mbanga, Ediki and Kumba. The road is no more going through because of the Anglophone crisis. The road has been blocked. No more train is going to Kumba. So guys, I fetch my water and I am going back home. So before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Click on the notification bell so that you won't miss out in any of my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed my videos. I'll be bringing you more of such on rural areas, not only rural areas only, but cities as well. I am here to showcase to you how Cameroon looks like, how the world look like at large. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye bye. Those are close.